dey pan it me trigger branch na enti ema cheso bia so no mu etiefo anya asem kito o cheso obi enjan no na onkobo eye bobo ne dia to YouTube Nhyira TV onso betimi abada baba be hwe ebra na ade no nso ekoso nanimu na the disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association and so a charge up penino say niema we die sabi egu football ho fin enti Abdullah Ghazali no nso mra na enchiremu bi ho na chia aye here no yamani bi na yan said yan nsem no enso besi akọ aya quick ayi na fe eveni en common no Abdullah Ghazali
yes
yeah na be man go officer
okay I don't know whether it's my psychology background Rich bibia obeye bia a reaction dia empanyin say bibi na a trigger nti sebi Ghazali ayenim no omodam say ogina hwa na obi nye ne we na odi agu obi so ato ekoto ahye ne so akobo no he's a sane person nti answer na obi hu say Abdullah Ghazali chase obi na say obi aye bibi ntina oyesa
okay boy na Ghazali kono so ankoko bono no ono ankasa chechensin yentie boy no na dia pa ne sintia ama Abdullah Ghazali assistant coach at the Mahasafok ne bufu sa
na bone ko na me yese dem sadia me fa bone mato no ti me fa na player na ka che me say minjai ball na bone ko na like omo dile nti minjai nti me coach ne ba fa bone ato ma player na me yede me me na wo ball so na no ba no be ball mas na me so to say me nyama nko wa ba ball mas na me so mi ball
I don't know to blue. Say, Pini and Capini, you are the any say.
But suddenly, Omaka check by them, but I don't know because like 14 in film, 14 in film, they are coming German up, but me like me innocent. Now about Masulia, cinema mention.
Aquala the only penny, yes, my head they are different. It is any apology, Emmanuel. Catch and say, we are sorry.
Coach Patrol, say. The ball say can one me sorry.
That's why.
Okay, nti akoda na boy no. Ono na da YouTube Nhyira TV betumi aba na oba be no. Em say wa chechim.
What me?
It was coach for no reply.
Rich. Sebi Ghazali onya bodam for. And what you radio so now can answer ma won so ye nipa. You can lose.
Because the Ghazali I know.
You can lose your cool at a point. I am so medru. But you see, utie Kofia. I go abandon that you find Kofi. Yeah, Bobo, media master one. Young in him. Uta Ukobi woman. Rich, a Tulabia, yes, started born one. Ebia Bobo, be I am about 2 balls. Bobo is no me about 5 as 6. 2 balls, just say, yeah, Ebia, you better see game. Balls are all packed, so the game could be 12. So home team is a so more sharp. Rich, home team nation no. Number one I did game the sort. Simply because the home team want to do Bibia to delay. Now, according to Kofi Nation, born a carbon thing. Boy, also for born aside the mom back. All for born a moment. And a medium player can say, hey,
and for Bono.
And for born a moment, that tells about the delay also cockatamo a moment. Rich, and I was on fire. Boy na ye odwuma no because ya catch us enfenti also won fa Rich Kofi ogina we akwa kitikiti say on fa na say coach anya player coach open in tamama team any pressure ato media maso coach na mu
ekofa ball no
edri ka be fa ball na o si oduru ho no masade me na ya wo ball no so Rich sometimes you have to be human. I also udi kaye ni pansa. Na uwa ni mutwe bi mpa waye. Rich, how many of us will not lose our cool with this situation? How many of us? So
because I been the team that from.
Who are cry I was telling you. Obi say enye nti so wonye. Onye na me panyi me baba ya. Na wo sa do na ya wo born to say oh sumami anas oh ade da obeso
kire Ghazali born no so reply no
enti oyeye no and Ghazali you find say ye African no what here say hey de mu ade on and oborn akwara say panyin ni born no so oborn bi ana panyin born na so oborn bi da say enye say ubetimi na ko and was say any brand yam kwa fi na udwane
say agrade ohun sa wo hro a oni panu ko bedidi and any yam kwa
and yes I am born na betima bo bibidi a and say ada ne ntokwa no afi de udwane nti that was what happened.
Wow.
Now obi a wo tie me bia me nka say me so Ghazali so but you first have to be human and understand say ebetimi ato even though Mijiri say he could say sometimes you know Rich your analysis no after thought so he could have maintained calmness and it's another busa wu say esianka wu betimi maintain calmness ana enka wu betimi he was angry
because be a son one
na me say Rich as inti asem ye narrate actually we even when you esie we nipa utie na heshi enye obufu me to ye babufu
asemo
inti that was what happened but when him in say me say ekoso because the football environment is a professional environment and we expect people to demonstrate high level of calmness near identity Ghazali na oye penyin ono no obi ade na asabe kono say o penyin na wo mo na o se ka woti ase na one acti overboard any identity the SC no maybe the men the akwane ye oye nkura bone sem papa
so opa coach kura cha
I chop we a chop papa
so coach mpa
so say me ball na
kawa
we yes tisa kono ya kura bone ya nkasa
as go je
bongo
ball kawa
bongo pass me the abre Abdullah Ghazali mu din
no nkasa kra
nenum ko bia kwa ntine nenum kasa
no
you must trigger such a person to get the reaction now onya coach Kafra yakran yemu bebre a omu bu aten no would have done it more than what you've done
unless
the only thing is yes the only thing is yes you went overboard and then quite the afterthought judgment but the aba na aba okwa no ko patch no man ko yina kaka obeja no
41 yen review no yen tete ho
of course
you say free and dey ko ni na no
sure
first one you be did common kakaka na
first of all
yeah the akọ Adesa Production
I think is a
omusika no mdi rem no I reflect it
yes to some extent yes to a larger extent yes
okay
unim the first reflection league no home common
okay
and uze your onkofo bebra they don't put value on good communication around a product. Rich, you admit with me the moment you say Adesa Emma Club will be 1 million, people were happy. All of a sudden, Ghana Premier League no a home comedian was positive. So, my idea, Sikaba League nim, and you can raise your expectations. Say then the clubs should conduct themselves well. And the first value no products no image sa sika no be say ma hon komo no ye de so sika ba clubs no omunyo ma yie omuntimi ntua ye di komo papa for league no because of sika no. Number 2, Rich, I think say sika no in a certain way raise competition because apart from say sika no so apart from the actual clubs no yes sika na bi susu na yes I dey check baby a wo be di o league ni mu no and you could clearly see say
be a person onyeska
be a person di baby ye na onyeska
at a point e be nya dia no obeda league ni so
na baby
na media ma ba na baby e post as ba na koto ba fem kakra
yes Heart of Lions even mid-table for any relegation battle ni nyina no Rich obia da so say se na be ko dia say me stay in the league for about 3 years I'll be able to get a certain base of money say me like me feel ma ha me ho enti sika sam no ma competition na wa de no so ekosoro. The third one at the same man yes can go on with the they came with some level of say ye ba be twa game na mamo say the man the last season you know. And Rich, I think apart from few issues or more communicate say oh because of technical reasons match we na yes e be yentimi you know the omu you know the ones they've been able to cover Rich, I think said the coverage has been good. They be make us the same way, and it is missing from a lot of other platforms because probably they don't know. Rich, say ukoshe game wo Samra Boy, ukoshe game wo Bichim. Na say ukoshe game no TV so. Na incident BC. Na unya perfect angles to those incidents na. Don't rush to blame Adesa Production. Makachi would say majority of your parks, any your various venues, you know, almost you know, almost factor in coverage, camera coverage of say about to take game, you know, professional way. And they don't have positions for various angles for cameramen. And what we even watch, those people trying their best to give you, and we saw the NFL analysis. And we two pass Accra Sports Stadium, Baba Sports Stadium, Tamale Stadium, make the standard venues now. And yes, you know, you say they will see AFCON. International media houses, the almost cameras, but any sound of man, Rich, you will not cry of angles when it gets to those venues, you know. And I think say the production and so akosro. Now, make it one, Rich. League table no a term for each class you don't have to go beyond the league table to search for one mona or more yadia one mona or more and yadia. It is obvious say currently the Rich Mediama is the best club
for the first round.
Yes. Omo material omo Coach Ibrahim Tanko, the venue
TNA,
a home-based venue, how a Pokroa, and yet 30,000. Like I said, they are struggling to fill. Just around 6,000-7,000. To go for back a Caribbean, they could create a certain atmosphere. And I think said, my idea to create a Friday night football tradition beer. Majority of our games, you know, on Friday night. The only problem about who I said, on lights, you know. Usa me kaya ko be me catch from the beginning and conference. And the over games you may be bria. Na affected visibility. Ama even TV coverage for quite complaining say oh yeah the camera net to swa lights no from near the. But Rich, so can be bia bomu. Quality of players, quality of coach, the team traditional environment or creative, and even the backing of the team and penning for most packer. Rich, he will do whatever it takes for Mediama to win. And Obi onim Ghana football will be at Yasmi America. So, and yet just putting together a great team, but you need to have an administration and you're ready to push team no to every height. And Rich, yeah, they signed another headline sponsors with Asante Gold, $200,000. Rich, what will they do with this money? They will push it into the club. Now, baby, you go start from one more. African into one statistics in here. But Rich, only African too much, you know. Look at where they are. Even from poor man so deep back in the moon. But all of a sudden they spark on much say they are defending champions and part. And only the electric number home games wrong. They don't lose. They've never lost there. Kotoko they are always expected to do well. They are always expected to do well. And I think it will even be disappointing to say they are not first or second. Especially with players no more toy. But you could also extend the conversation when we need to extend it. Say, top players be brave for Basana.
Adaptation.
Yes, and also will take time. Again, a recruitment no more. And again, the coach are almost so creative. They've gone back to their roots, involving the community. And Obianim say, again, a sense of community base now. And what you know. And it's a we sika. Nasika no odema sebi and nim the phobia at Tapokumo say, Omunfan Rano club Nimau. They buy the right players, they give them the right supporter. You always expect Adriana to do well. enti me anyam won say aduana nso so are in right
but
context.
all of a sudden I say omo far pa no I know
look
omo lose ana
they are not losing it. It is very difficult to be consistent in the Ghana Premier League.
Okay.
Because of the competitive nature. No? And young kind of crunch Rich, oh yeah, they said there. I'm not saying say you play some league no, omo yadie. But on say a new titibina, they were so matured at the top level to give you Amankwame can win 6 matches in a row, 10 matches in a row because they are matured, home away, home. Oh my yeah, but also you can get that from Salimo Seydou Sana can give you 4-5 games grade A performance home and no. I don't think that yesterday what team your team my 4 winning streak 5 oh yeah nyabi. I don't know but
me baby lines no so far team be pa na or disappoint you.
Bechemini Nations.
Okay.
Bechemini Nations.
I'm disappoint you.
Oh yes.
But they pa na disappoint you pa.
Bechem.
Okay.
Bechem. The entire makers and say, who say Bechem has always on my idea. And comparatively to nations, omun lusu players bebre say the nations are losing no. And you know, Bechem pa unim with Okran munina still there.
Me the last time me cram council Okran ready town. See about town friend or so yeah ball match na. And who Bechem was and I became so near went to me. And
yes, also because hey, now we shall be a Bekum Chelsea. That Bekum Chelsea is only
almost all
yes, and the other factor because and common after the ever started. Okay, so the Omo nations said they've also been very because nations are club since mobile they've always been knocking on the door. Say Omo league number, but this time I will be Omuta. But they've lost a lot of play. But Bechem there, and today will be my most disappointing team. Pa,
officiating near the nanny.
Yes,
na ya to us our discussion to say maybe lines in 3220 83581 83582 83583 ya brobo nsem so bebre nso betimi aba na odo